So when we're trying to increase range of motion, right? The thing that I like most about this is that you've got contact under the leg. It's uncomfortable, like we're in the range that's stretching it and you don't feel good in this position, but you know it's safe. The brain understands it's safe. If you're just trying to hold the leg up and let it hang, if you don't have that contact along like the calf and the heel, your brain and your nervous system is not going to relax. So at home, use pillows, use whatever. This is the position. This is the way you want to do it. You want to feel something at the heel. You want to feel something at the calf. But you want to be in that position that's uncomfortable but tolerable, borderline painful. You're going to put that over there. There you go. Because that's what's going to let the nervous system calm down. 5 minutes, max of 10 minutes. 10 minutes is pushing it. 5 minutes is enough. And you get up, you move around, you reset. It'll tighten back up, but then you come back and you do it again.
Okay.
Like that's where the range of motion is going to come from.
Okay.